Who doesn't love a great sale? And our Smart Shopper takes action every week to help you find them at the grocery store. Here's Daphne now with a brand new batch of deals.
Fry's is going to save you the most on a gallon of milk. They have it on sale for $1.87, and you can purchase 2 for that price. If you don't shop at Fry's, no worries, because Safeway, Albertsons, and Bash's, they all have 1 gallon of milk on sale for $1.89, and you can buy 2 at each store for that price. Both Fry's and Food City have 32-ounce bottles of Powerade on sale for 59 cents each, and there are no limits. Have some salad because Food City has 3 heads of lettuce on sale for just 99 cents, and you can purchase up to 6 heads for that price. Stop in at Pro's Ranch Market and buy 3 pounds of bananas for just 99 cents. Score a deal on boneless, skinless chicken breast at Albertsons for $1.88 per pound. Or how about trying some pork sirloin chops for just 99 cents per pound at Albertsons. Save on grapes at Sprouts this week. They have green, black, and red seedless grapes for just 68 cents per pound. And if you plan on shopping at Sprouts, don't forget that on Wednesdays, their new and old ads overlap. So that means double the items are on sale. Plus, if you are 55 years or older, you'll get 10% off your entire food bill on Wednesday, September 4th. This happens at Bash's, Fry's, and Albertsons.
I'll have more Valley grocery store deals posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Munro, your Smart Shopper.